Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's question: what are the hidden treasures of travel insurance? Well, here's the thing. There's more than meets the eye with travel insurance. Travel insurance provides protection and peace of mind when you go on vacation or an important business trip. And like with any other type of financial protection, travel insurance is something you don't want to have to use, but minor and major disasters do happen sometimes, and you'll want to know that travel insurance is your silent partner just in case. It's there to make you feel safe. So seasoned travellers are very familiar with the typical benefits of travel insurance. They know that it provides protection for things like trip cancellation and trip interruptions, and also for travel medical emergencies and evacuations, and also lost baggage and such items as stolen property. Travel insurance is there for many reasons. So for many people, these benefits are sufficient to justify the cost of travel insurance, but a closer look will show you that there are many hidden benefits of travel insurance as well, which will help make your vacation as relaxing as possible. And here are some of the lesser known benefits that knowledgeable travellers can take advantage of. As always, be sure to read your policy closely when considering your options, otherwise you might miss out on some important benefits. So firstly, simple travel medical coverage is part of many policies. Similar to your health insurance at home, it reimburses you for standard medical care and emergencies whilst you're away. But there are other health care protection options as well, like accidental death and dismemberment and dental care. Now, while certainly not the most entertaining topic, accidental death and dismemberment protects you in case the unthinkable happens. You can think of it as an addition to your life insurance plan. Now, moving swiftly on with dental care coverage, where you can be reimbursed for the cost of emergency dental care you receive whilst travelling overseas. And like with any insurance, there are certain restrictions involved, so be sure to read your policy carefully before deciding on a plan. And you can also upgrade your travel insurance policy to include protection for your rental car. This can be a convenient way to cover any damage to your car, especially if you don't have adequate coverage through other means. But make sure your rental company accepts travel insurance coverage before purchasing the upgrade. And be aware that the coverage only applies to the car itself, not to any other property that might be damaged because of the slight mishap. And two other hidden benefits to consider are missed cruise connection and financial default. So with a missed cruise connection, you're covered for the expense that it incurred whilst travelling to your ship's next port of call. So just keep in mind that the benefits only apply if you miss the connection for a covered reason. Whilst financial default covers you if your travel provider goes out of business unexpectedly. So most aspects of financial default coverage are time sensitive, so be sure that you understand your policy before deciding on the comprehensive plan that you're going to purchase. And remember, at Aardvark Compare, you can run a completely anonymous quote in minutes and compare dozens of the top travel insurance plans to find the right plan for you. Safe travels.